The new Apex Trader Funding live program launch has been full of controversy and misinformation, so in this video I'll cover the official details of how it works. The live program is the last stage of trading with Apex. First, you purchase an evaluation using discount code TPJ for the highest discount available. Then if you pass, you progress to the performance account, where you can request payouts of profits above the buffer. With up to 20 performance accounts at a time, that results in a max first payout of 40k, which is a huge amount compared to most competitors. But the evaluation and performance accounts are simulated trading, so Apex can't afford to pay out from performance accounts forever. So the Apex Live program is used to take traders who have been successful on sim performance accounts and give them accounts funded with real money where they trade in live markets. However, the big controversy with prop firm live programs is that they significantly reduce earning potential, at least in the short term, because when moving to Apex Live, traders initially start with a single live account that has 3k end of day drawdown, and all active PA accounts are closed. Compare this to 20 sim PA accounts, with the potential for 40k or more per payout, and you can see why traders that get moved to live can be disappointed. Apex does offer up to 5 live accounts, depending on the number of active PA accounts on transition to live, but every trader only starts with 1 live account to limit risk, because trading live markets is very different to trading simulated. In fact, AJ, the CEO of Lucid Trading, explains that 95% of traders who moved to live with their firm blew up, and these traders had to be profitable on sim funded before being moved to live. Therefore, Apex's decision to only offer 1 live account initially makes sense, but still doesn't soften the blow for traders with many PAs. Any profit in PA accounts on transition to live is transferred to the bonus vault, which increases payouts on live accounts. Any active eval accounts are refunded on the transition to live. Moving traders to live is at the discretion of Apex Trader Funding, but traders with 3 consecutive withdrawals on a single PA account, or traders that have accumulated large total sim profit balances that indicate the level of trading activity should be generated in the live markets, will be monitored to move to live. But Apex may move traders to live earlier. In particular, there have been complaints about being moved to live after a single payout. Apex has stated that this is uncommon, and usually only happens due to activities like account churning and all-in gambling. Importantly, nobody is moved to live without getting a single payout. In my opinion, if you're trading a lower number of accounts, you should be able to get at least a few payouts before being moved to live. If you're maxing out 20 accounts and trading aggressively, I think this will increase the likelihood of being moved to live, as Apex tries to limit its risk. Live accounts start with $0 balance, with 3k end of day trailing drawdown, and no daily loss limit. Once the live account profit reaches $3,100, the end of day drawdown locks in at $100. Once the account live profit balance reaches $4,500, an additional account may be added. This process continues until they have up to 5 live accounts max, based on the number of PA accounts before moving to live. Contract limits start at 10 minis or 100 micros per account. As you reach 10k live profit and higher, the contract limits increase, but soft daily loss limits are introduced. The contract and daily loss limits always change with account profit, meaning withdrawals also impact the scaling plan. At 50k profit, traders have the option to progress to level 2, meeting with a risk manager to discuss a customized plan. A trader at this level may also be considered for additional opportunities, which may include larger accounts, corporate portfolio management, additional markets or instruments, and a potential salary and bonus. Live accounts pay a 90% profit split. You can request daily payouts of any profits over the $3,100 buffer, with a minimum payout request of $500. There are no minimum trading days or minimum daily profit requirements. If you have profit in the bonus vault, you'll receive extra bonuses after requesting a payout from live accounts. This is a 40% bonus in the first month, then 20% bonus in subsequent months. Bonus vault payments are sent on the 15th of the following month. To be eligible, your live account must still be active at this payout date. If you blow the live account before, you won't receive the bonus. Live account commissions are set by the broker. Apex covers the expense of initial professional main data feeds, but if you trade special or specific instruments that require additional data fees, you will need to pay these yourself. Also, live accounts have a 30-day inactivity rule. If the account is closed for inactivity, profits over the buffer will be paid out, and if the live account had over 90 trading days, the buffer profits will be paid too, but payouts on inactive accounts aren't eligible for vault bonuses. If you blow an Apex live account, you have to wait for the 14-day cooling off period before trading with them again. At this point, you can purchase a second chance live account, which costs $199. It has a 4K profit target, 2K intraday trailing drawdown, a 1K daily loss limit, a 40% consistency rule, and requires 5 trading days of at least $250 daily profit to pass. This is a ridiculously difficult challenge to pass, so if you blow an Apex live account, you're probably better off looking at other prop firms, unless you're really set on wanting to trade live. If you pass the second chance to live account, you get a new Apex live account with the same rules. If you fail again, there's the same 14-day cooling off period. Then you can buy the second chance live challenge again. But if you blow your third Apex live account, a risk manager will review your trading and will assess if you are allowed to attempt the return to live challenge again. If you are not approved, you will no longer be able to trade with Apex. Overall, the Apex Live program is a realistic risk management stage that keeps the firm sustainable as it surpasses over $800 million paid out to traders. For the very best traders, the Live program does offer good scaling potential, but for sim farming traders, it's a big cut in earnings. If you have the goal of trading live, you only need 5 PAs to get the max potential live accounts, and using less than 20 accounts will likely increase the number of sim-funded payouts you can get before moving to live. The whole controversy and misinformation about the live program shows that communication is key. The full details should have been released all at once so rumours didn't gain traction, but if you want to help someone understand the live program without having to read the whole FAQ or watch the 40-minute presentation, send them this video. Thanks for watching. For more prop firm discounts and giveaways, check out my Discord and website.